Alright, now, the greatest question is, should African Americans and Africans love themselves? Well, we're going to see about that. Hello, my name is Nelson. You're welcome to my channel. I'm currently in Cameroon, West Africa, and today I'm just going to be talking about a little bit of topic, something really simple about African Americans and Africans. Alright, so now what is the biggest deal? We all know where we came from, alright? Whether you're an African American, you're an African, we all know that we are the same people. No matter all the confusion about you saying I'm not this person is not me, we all know that we are the same people. Now what we should try to be striving is for us to I mean, because it has been a very long time since we separated from each other, and it has been close to, many years. Alright, so now that we have discovered who we truly are, I think it is time for us now to come back together. And how are we going to come back together? Are we going to come back together in the sense of maybe an African traveling to America and meet an African American and say, no, this is my brother, no, we share the same history, we are the same people? Is that all? Or there is something that we need to do, there is something that we need to take more in order for us to come closer? Now, I am going to be talking about relationships, because relationship is very important concerning the unity of people. If we share relationship, like let me just put it straight, getting married, we need to do intermarriage. African people and African Americans need to have a very strong relationship with each other. Like African Americans getting married to Africans, Africans getting married to African Americans. That is the only way we can be able to learn more of our culture. Africans learning from African Americans, African Americans learning from Africans, because we have been divided for so long, and now it is the time for us to come together and unify ourselves back. So if you have a relationship with an African American, or an African American have relationship with an African, it is the greatest opportunity for you to learn the culture of that person. Alright, not only by you maybe coming back to Africa, even though coming back to Africa or me going to America, I can also learn the culture. But when we are joined together, when we have this strong bond of love together, then we are going to know each other and learn about each other very well. Alright, so that's just the little thing that I said. Let me just tackle. It's not really something big. And my name is Nelson. I am currently in West Africa, Cameroon, and I'm very happy seeing us unifying back together. Alright, so that's it. I just let me talk to you guys. Alright, so you can subscribe to my channel. I have something very amazing for you all, and I am trying everything possible to put my people on. So I am black and I'm proud to be.